Hello everyone, welcome to latest update program. The topic of discussion is Stockholm Water Prize. This topic relates to environment section of the UPSC CSE syllabus. Let's see why this is in news. Kaveh Madani was awarded the 2026 Stockholm Water Prize for his significant contributions to water science, policy, and global outreach. He is the youngest laureate in the award's history and the first UN official to receive this recognition. His work on water bankruptcy has significantly shaped the global discussion on long-term water scarcity. Now let's discuss about water bankruptcy. Kaveh Madani coined the term water bankruptcy, which refers to a situation where water shortages are no longer temporary but reflect a deep systemic failure in water management. His work highlights the global shift from short-term crisis management to long-term adaptation strategies in addressing water scarcity. His innovative research applies game theory and decision analysis to water resource management, challenging traditional assumptions about cooperation in shared water resources. This recognition comes amid political adversity, with Madani being forced into exile due to his reformist stance on water governance in Iran. Now let's discuss about Stockholm Water Prize. The Stockholm Water Prize, established in 1991, is an esteemed international award recognizing exceptional contributions to water science and protection. It was created during Stockholm's Water Festival celebrations, aiming to honor achievements in clean water. While inspired by the Nobel Prize, it operates independently with rigorous standards. The prize has been awarded to scientists, organizations, and practitioners for groundbreaking work that addresses global water challenges, advancing scientific knowledge, and shaping water policy worldwide. Now it's time to do a practice question. Who was awarded the 2026 Stockholm Water Prize for linking water science with policy, diplomacy, and global outreach? A. Wilfried Brutzayat B. Kaveh Madani C. R.K. Pachauri D. Taikan Oki. Send the answer for this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching. For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.